Hi, this is Abigail Domingo from Batch 10. And for today, I'm going to share top 5 smart tips to save money from today. So, in today's fast progressing world, savings look like privilege for many people. But if you understand the true sense of saving money, you should be able to take some amount every month to your future. And these are some tips are very basic yet effective ways using which one can start saving money. So number one, record your expense. Recording your expense is the first basic step you need to do in order to save money. So for a month, keep a check and record all kinds of expenses you have made. And by doing this, you will have an idea of how much you are spending and where you need to limit your expectation. All right, number two, make a tight budget. Start making your monthly budget according to your expenses. The main reason for making a tight budget is to control and curb your spending. So, one of the best ways to save money is to divide the salary amount into clear expense heads. So, for example, you can divide it into the four broad categories or portions like 30% on house and food expense, and then 30% for lifestyle, 20% for savings, and another 20% for debts, credits, or loans, or etc. All right, number two, make a tight budget. Start making your monthly budget according to your expenses. The main reason for making a tight budget is to control and curb your spending. So, one of the best ways to save money is to divide the salary amount into clear expense heads. So, for example, you can divide it into the four broad categories or portions like 30% on house and food expense, and then 30% for lifestyle, 20% for savings, and another 20% for debts, credits, or loans, or etc. Third is spend less, save more. So this evaluation will give you a very simple and easy way to save and spend. So one important thing that everyone should practice is to make productive use of your earnings. So limit all of your extra and unnecessary spends. Visualize what all you want to have in next 5 years, maybe a house or vehicle, and accordingly start saving with that as an end objective. Okay, and then number four, start investing. The next approach to save money is by investing. The main idea behind investing is to generate a regular income or returns in a specific period of time. So, with time, your investment grows and so does your money. So, for instance, the value of, let's say, let's just example, 5,000 will not be the same in the next 5 years if you invested it. So, and not the same in the and it may grow to more. Hence, investing is very important for everyone. However, before investing, one has to first save money, okay? Because one way to get closer to your desired goals is to understand the power of compound interest. So, compound interest means an interest which is not only calculated on the initial principle, but also takes into consideration the accumulated interest over prior periods. So if you are planning to save money, there are many short-term and long-term investment options that you can consider. Okay. And of course, last one, have financial goals or financial goals. Have financial goals to save money. Financial setup can be a major backbone to you at all times of your life. So, regardless of your age, setting your financial goals by categorizing into time frames, example short term, mid term, and long term. Long term goals This gives a very systematic and realistic approach to your financial goals. So, if you want to save money, start setting your goals by dividing them into the time frames. So, I hope yeah, that's it for this video. So I hope you will have some ideas on how to start saving money, especially nowadays. So it's very crucial, and it's very important to have money, especially emergency funds. So yeah, thank you and bye for now. Have a good one.